Hello friends, welcome to Avinash Tutorials. Today we will discuss about the various rules of binomial nomenclature. If any student don't know what do you mean by binomial nomenclature, then they can check my description box. There you can find the link. So let's study what are the rules. So our first rule is both the genus name and species name should be written in italic form. So I will make you understand this rule with an example. In this picture you can see that the scientific name of dog is written in italic form, that is Canis familiaris. So let's move to our another rule, that is rule number 2. It is said that if it is written in italic form, then the first letter of genus should be written in capital form and the first letter of species should be written in small form. For example, you can see in this picture that the scientific name of Indian frog is Rana tigrina. You can mark one thing in this name, that the first letter of genus part is written in capital form, whereas the first letter of species part is not written in capital form. So let's move to our another rule. This rule said that both the word should be underlined completely and separately. For example, you can see in this figure the scientific name of human is Homo sapiens. So mark the writing part. Here both the words are written in italic form, capitalize the genus part and underline completely and separately. So next rule said that if it is written in all capital letter, then you should not have to give any underline. For example, you can see in this figure that the scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. Here you can mark one thing, that the genus part and the species part are written in capitalized form. So here I didn't give any underline. The next rule said that the scientist who discovered or named, we should give their name after species name. For example, you can see in this figure that the scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris. You can mark one thing, that within the bracket I have written Linnaeus 1735. This means that the scientist who discovered it is Carolus Linnaeus, and when that is 1735. So let's move to our next rule. This rule said that any two animal whose have same genus or generic name but they don't have same species or specific name, it must be different. For example, the scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris and the scientific name of lion is Panthera leo. Can you mark the difference? Here you can find that the genus part Panthera is common in both tiger and lion, but the species name is different, that is tigris and leo. Now the next rule said that if the generic name is a common noun, then it can be written as small letter. For example, Amoeba proteus, that is amoeba. So let's move to our next rule, that is if any species name is related to any place, river, scientist, we may written in capital letter. For example, you can see in this figure that the scientific name of Indian crocodile is Crocodilus gangeticus. So our next rule said that both genus and species name are not less than 3 letters or more than 13 letters. For example, you can mark that the scientific name of toad is Bufo melanostictus. You can count that both the words are not less than 3 letters and more than 13 letters. So the last rule said that the species name was given by according to habitat, country, size, etc. For example, the scientific name of cow is Bios domesticus. This name is given according to habitat. Another example of this rule is cockroach. The scientific name of cockroach is Periplaneta americana. This name is given according to country. So the last example of this rule is elephant. That is, the scientific name of elephant is Elephas maximus. Here the name is given according to size. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, then please like, comment and subscribe my channel.